entry mode. Secret Recipe has using franchising mode to enter Japan. Franchising mode is the one of faster way to enter Japan because it is less risk to enter Japan as a new company. Currently, 50% of Secret Recipe restaurants are owned on franchise basis, while the rest are owned by company. As we know, in Japan, cheesecake is the one of most popular cake. So, without doubt, Secret Recipe can enter the market by promoting their existing cake such as Hokkaido cheesecake and New York cheesecake. Why we choose franchisee as our entry mode to Japan? So, Secret Recipe has analyzed some other company that success in Japan. Others company like Subway and KFC has success in Japan to market their product.
Okay, before we want to market our product to global, we need to know what kind of influence that can affect our company performance. The first one is culture, the second one is management style, and the third one is business system. Okay, Secret Recipe need to understand Japanese culture in driving consumers' behavior and also perception, while simultaneously avoid being ethnocentric in foreign country. There are 5 aspects that we need to understand in Japanese culture. The first one is their language, the second one is attitude and value, the third one is business culture, the fourth one is product adaptation, and the lastly is subculture. In management style and business system, there are 2 impacts that can affect company performance, which is positive and negative impacts towards Secret Recipe business. The positive impact towards our business is Secret Recipe has been disbanded wing by over 440 outlets throughout domestic region and international. Growth opportunity area is the most positive impact of going international for Secret Recipe. When Secret Recipe increasing our business by going international, there are some negative impacts towards our business. For the example is, getting into foreign market might expose Secret Recipe with incorporate of some unlawful product chemicals in Japan.
Before we going to enter the Japanese market, we must learn and do some research on the political environment in the Japan. Okay. We must know about Japanese political environment. Japanese have a system political of democracy. However, they use the constitution of emperor. Next, we must consider about the stability of the country. As we know that Japan is stable, so it is suitable for us to enter and market our product in Japan. Then, we must also consider about the interrelation between Malaysia and Japan. The relation between Japan and Malaysia is a good relation because our Prime Minister have a big philosophy that look to the east, so we can see that our relationship between Japan is good enough. There are many ways for us to enter the Japanese market. First, we can sell our product to a distributor in Japan. So we can choose any dedicated distributor in Japan to sell our product. And the second one, we can choose a franchising to enter the Japanese market. Third one, we can use a direct exporting, which means we export our product to the Japan. And the next one is partnering, which means we have a partner in Japan to expand our product. And we also can have a joint venture, which is a very encouraged strategy used by the other company to enter the Japanese market. So it's easy for any company from the outside of Japan enter the market and expand their business in the Japanese market. And the last one, we also can use the turnkey projects, which means we have a contract with the Japan to expand our product and business in the Japan market. For our company, we choose franchising as our strategy to enter the Japanese market. It means that we have our own law to enter the Japanese market. Then the Japanese market government or any rules in Japan cannot disturb our trademark, copyright and logo. So we can still use our own logo, trademark and copyright in Japan.
Now, I will share about SWOT analysis secret recipe. What is a strength secret recipe? First, the brand. When we open recipe in Japan, I think the customer in Japan wants to know what is about secret recipe. Second is about product. I think the recipe is quality product and specialty about their packaging. And third strength of the recipe is marketing. In Malaysia, they use a different type of marketing channel to promote their brand. The firm in Japan just focus about advertising because advertising is a technique that popular in Japan. And lastly, the strength recipe when we open to Japan customer. I think we can get a more customer in global. And now about business secret recipe. First is price, second is the staff, and then the third is language barriers. What about price? We can see currency is another country is different. And when we open in Japan, we should the suitable put the price with the product. Second thing is about staff. When we open in Japan, we need to select people from Japan to work in secret recipe. Third witness secret recipe is language barriers. I think people in Japan cannot communicate English fluently. And now about opportunities secret recipe. Secret recipe also have 3 opportunities. First, secret recipe is a one only use the name secret recipe. And then about trend, and third, they have a various menu. And lastly about trade, about secret recipe. First is competitor. Japan is a tourist country, so they give an advantage to the hotel to provide the product. And lastly is about food waste. I think Japan is a clean country, so the recipe we we must to create a law to this recipe to not throw the rubbish anywhere.